Hi guys, how's it going today? I am going to show you how to change the color of a shirt very quickly through Photoshop. Lucky for me, I wore this primary color blue shirt for our photos, so this is going to be super easy to change the color. If you have my actions, you can click right here, saturation slider. If you want a copy of my actions, Gretchen at GretchenOtero.com. That'll be in the description. Otherwise, you can just click this little half moon down here and select hue saturation. So we are working with blue. So we're going to change from master to blue and watch how fast, fun, and easy this is. So, oh, look at that new color shirt. We can kind of play with all the hue, the saturation, the lightness. Maybe I want to wear like a dark shirt. I'm really looking at mine because we're going to go back and change his once we pick a color for my shirt. So my favorite color, kind of like this tealy sort of. There we go. I love that for me. Him, not so much. So we're just going to say okay for that and then use our selection tool up here. What do they call it? The quick wand, quick selection tool. There we go. Keyboard shortcut W. I'm using my bracket keys to the left of the P key to make this bigger. And I'm just selecting him. I got some of me over here. So I'm going to go to minus mode and minus that out. Minus out the bottom of my shirt, and then plus his collar right there. That's good. I'm going to grab my 100% brush from over here. If you don't have a copy of my tools, you can email me, Gretchen at GretchenOtero.com, or you can just use a black brush at 100%, and boom, there we go. I gave him his color shirt back. Isn't that awesome? Super fun, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. If you have any questions, reach out to me at Gretchen at GretchenOtero.com. I would love to hear from you. And you know what? Look at this right here. I missed a spot. See that? So we're just going to switch to a white brush, make this smaller. This was when I selected him. I just accidentally had this selected. So no problem. We can fix that super quick. All done and good to go. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.